Each agent requires an actor and a critic to function, and both the actor and the critic are neural networks. So when we design these networks, in theory, we can choose any architectures we want. Here I show you two types of architectures. One I call it holistic, the other I call it modular, for both the actor and the critic. So the holistic architecture has only one RRM module that computes all desired variables, while the modular architecture separates the computation of variables to some extent. And you can find the details of these architectures, including why the variable computations are separated in the modular architectures in the notebook. Please take a look. Although an agent requires an actor and a critic to function, here I just want you to implement the actor architecture. Please fill in the missing code to implement the holistic and the modular architectures in the schematic.